All right, what's the best way and what is my favorite way to produce results by recruiting people to LiveGood as members and affiliates? Okay, I started back March of 2023, so tomorrow is March 2025. So I can officially say I have about 2 years of experience joining LiveGood. And guess what? 2 years period as an affiliate or direct online marketing dude. Okay. Or person. Is that better? All right. Is that more appropriate in 2025? The moolah dude, the multi-level marketing maniac. All right. Is that it? All right, guys. One thing I'm always asked is MLM. Okay. Is LiveGood an MLM? Now there is multi-level pay, but traditional MLMs going back from Amazon, let's say, how about Amway? Okay, I think they're the oldest. I think in the 30s. So about almost 100 years ago, Amway came into our lives. And I think if you're kind of in my age group, you've heard of Tupperware, Avon, Mary Kay, all these other true, legit. They've made billions. They're not for me, but they're churning billions as I speak. All right, they are considered the definition of MLM. And that's where you got to buy their products to earn commissions. With LiveGood, no. We do have multi-level pay, but you don't buy a darn thing. How we get paid is by memberships. We just make a video like this or send people email or a video like this. We could go on social media and just post something saying, hey guys, check this out. And if people like what they see and they want to join, great, we earn commissions. And I like that because I have plenty. You can see I got those white containers on my little mini fridge. I have plenty of LiveGood products right now. So I don't want to rebuy them because wonder if those products, I think I got like 4 or 5 right there. Well, wonder if they get so high, they go into my Rocky Horror Picture Show little dolls. Then it hits my Kiss lamp, then my Miami Vice dolls. And you can see all the crazy stuff that I like to collect. Okay. I don't want to be told by a company that you have to buy this much in order to get a commission. Because most of the time you have to buy $200, $300 worth of products each month to get a commission of $200 or $300, which means you're just breaking even. Then everyone else that signs up with you, they're buying overpriced products like this glass. Let's just say this glass. And I bought this at Walmart. They're $10. They're $9.95. Wonder if I told you this is $50. And then you go down to Walmart and it's $9. Well, you know that extra $40 goes to the ownership, couple bucks to me, and my upline. Usually the ownerships of that MLM, they're making the billions, not us. We're the worker bees. But if I can buy this for $10 at Walmart, I'm gonna. Okay? With LiveGood, please don't label us or put us in the same category after you find out. After you find out that you don't have to buy any products. You don't buy products to earn commissions. Okay? Focus on this. Make it fun. Make it simple. Just get a domain name. If you don't mind, let me show you my screen. I bought this domain name, joincory.com, from GoDaddy. It was like $11. Then I forward it to my LiveGood capture page where people watch a video produced by the company. And if they want to join, they just put their name and email address in and they get a LiveGood email. Okay, that's all I do. I bought business cards for $20 at Vistaprint. You can see what it looks like right there on my screen. And guys, everybody just comes and they check out the products and the ingredients and the wholesale pricing. Okay? And if you want to be a member, it's only $10 a month. And if you want to be an affiliate, one-time fee of $40. So for $49.95, that's exactly what it costs to become a member and an affiliate. So now you can earn money. But you can also buy all these products I'm showing you for wholesale. A lot of people join for the year. All right, that's $99 and 95 pennies. So if you have $100, go ahead and join for the year. You get 12 months for the price of 10. But look at all these products. You have 90 days, 3 months to buy any one of these products. Use them, even if empty. All right, let's just pick a product. How about, this Vitality, okay, guys? You empty this bottle and you send this little black bottle back to Jupiter, Florida within 90 days. You get your money back. All right, even if you have these little probiotic pills or the magnesium this or the protein chocolate and vanilla powder, all right, even essential oils. How about the CBD cream? You know these little patches are cool. You slap one of these on your asses when you're sleeping and you sleep better. Then in the daytime, if you need more energy, slap one of these on your other butt cheek and walk around. All right. And if you have no effect, if they don't work, then get your money back. Okay. The products sell themselves with LiveGood. They're very, very, very high quality, and they're cheap because we're a wholesale company. You got to remember, we don't jack up the prices so we can earn commissions. We're a wholesale-based company. You can go to livegood.com and buy just normal. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate. If you want to get wholesale pricing, do $10 a month to be a member. If you want to do a one-time fee of $40 to be an affiliate like myself, where I can earn way more than $100, because I want to spend about $50 to $100 a month on products. But wonder if I want to start paying for this building I'm in, the electricity, the heat, all the Wi-Fi, all the apps that I have going on right now, because I work a lot in this room, so I like to have some cool things. Is it called Hulu? Oops. Tubi or not Tubi? You ever heard of Netflix and all those other things? Hey, I got all these apps on all these screens here in my studio. It's nice to earn money, especially at home. You know, I can do this anywhere. I can go on a vacation. I can be in the back seat of my car. I can be out in the garage sitting on a lawnmower. As long as I have a phone, all right, and I'm on a webcam, but if I have my cell phone and I just want to do a selfie and go to TikTok, social media, or maybe Facebook, record it and then upload it. Or maybe you want to go live. Maybe you just want to do emails, all right? Social media is always going to be where it's at. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. They're the top three. Email still works. I do an insane amount of emails. And I'll show you how I do it. I have a company that pays me a couple $1,000 a month, and they send over 100,000 emails per day for me, and they pay me. How do I do it for $1 a day? Of course I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to show you everything. If you sign up in my group, I want you to kick butt. Number one, it's because my ego. If you sign up and you suck, that's going to make me feel like crap. But I want you to make money, because if you make money, I can make some money. And if I make money, you get some of my spillover. You can see in the comp plan. Just go to that pay plan link that I told you about. It's called affiliate pay plan or just pay plan. All right, go to the FAQ section too. Just go to livegood.com, look at the products, the FAQ, and then at the bottom it'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. It depends how big your screen is. The word affiliate's kind of long, so I noticed on some it'll just say pay plan, and if you're on a big home computer, it'll say affiliate pay plan. But you can see how we get paid on the membership side. Don't worry about having to buy products with us. Buy because you like them. And if you want your money back, get your money back. You got 90 days. No questions asked, guys. Okay? But how am I so successful? How have I signed up 409 people? Just personally. All right? Well, check it out. Look at my screen right now. Okay, can you see that little business card I made? That's it. I invite people to that link. It goes to a little video. People watch the video. They delete it if they want out. They save it if they want to come back and watch it. Okay? Or if you want to join, go to joincory.com, watch that video. Just enter your name and email and hit that red little button, or it's orange if I remember right, and you'll get a LiveGood email. Open it up and join. $49.95, that's it. Then let's get a domain name. Let's make some business cards for $20. All right, let's just spend little bits of money and then figure out what's best for you. Do you like the email? All right, how about social media? There's a lot of cool things. I know you can do this. That's why I invest a lot of time into my videos. Okay, guys? All right, I'll let you get. I appreciate your time big time. Go to joincory.com and let's bring you aboard. All right? Let's make you some moolah. Does that sound good? Why not? Okay, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. And you guys have a good day, okay? All right, talk to you later, guys. Bye.